Well, this is uh, midday 8. Um, I've well, it's really a week ago today at 2 o'clock that I had my operation. I did the first video Friday evening, and I thought it was a good way to document or cover what I have been going through and what just to document for me, maybe for somebody else that needs it, my trials and my tribulations and my victories and my losses, I guess, because I do think that your your recovery is some days you're winning and some days you're losing. Like, some days you're the windshield and some days you're the bug. So you just you win some, you lose some, and as long as you're winning more than you're losing, that's great. So that's what this is all about. This is just about documenting what I'm going through and potentially what some other people could be going through with their treatments, with their future, with an upcoming knee replacement. So this is day 8. Welcome to day 8, right? I've just been doing the best I can with the items I have at my disposal, and I've been forcing myself to, one step in front of the other, and just try and do the best I can. So today is 1 week later. I still have pain in my knee, but I also find that my pain is on my shin, and in my thigh. And I guess that's all to do with the muscles, the way they react to an operation and how the muscles tense up. I've been putting heat on the muscles to try and get them to relax, so that when I see my physiotherapist, I think it's the Tuesday of the week of the 15th. I don't know if that's 14th, 15th, I'm not sure. Anyway, so when I see the physiotherapist again, he's able to work on my thigh, because he wasn't able to really do much on my thigh, because it was just so tense, so like a ball of muscle. So that's what I'm working on. So today I haven't done too much. Today is I'm just trying to get through the day. I didn't sleep that well last night. I think I got a 2-hour sleep last night. I slept for a little bit this morning. It's just the ache that I have in my leg. And it's not even my knee that's causing that problem. It's the above and the below the knee that's causing the problem. And as a side sleeper, I find it hard, because the sleep I'm getting is on my back, and it takes such a long time to get used to sleeping on your back. So I curl up on my side, and that's where I get comfortable. That's where I've kind of always slept, or how I've always slept. So now to try and teach an old dog a new trick, and that's a tough one, right? So that's the way it is, right? So, you know, I'm just gonna show where my leg's at, and then I want to show a little trick that I've come up with. Works for me. It might not work for you, but maybe you gotta try it. So this is my leg right now. It's, you know, purple. I think the bruises are coming out now. You can see here, down here, I've got a nice purple bruise there as well. I wonder how I got that one, but hey, you know. So what I found that works for me is when you want to move your legs, right? I know this is a little hard to show, but if you want to move your leg, I find that if I tuck my good leg into the ankle on my bad leg, I can lift my leg, right? So I'm using my good leg to move my bad leg. So I'm just tucking and holding my foot under my ankle, and I'm moving my leg. So that's what I've been doing. So when I get out of bed, I'm tucking on the bed, I'm tucking my foot under that ankle, and then I'm moving my leg. And so it gives my leg a little bit of support. I'm not straining my knee at the top, because this muscle here, this group, it just really hurts. And so when I lift my leg, that's a little harder, and that puts in pressure right here. So I try to stay away from that. When I walk, it hurts down here. So, and then the back of my leg is so hard and swollen that I'm sure it's causing the pain that I'm getting in my heel. Not pain, but lack of feeling. How's that? Right? So there's a little bit of tricks that I use to deal with not being able to move my leg. But so again, like for me to move this leg right now, it's tough, right? I can lift it kind of. It hurts. But then when I put my other foot under my heel, I can move that leg all around. And it's not as tough on my knee and my muscles. Anyway, that's something to think about, something to try. Maybe it works for you, maybe it doesn't. But it's just something that I figured it worked for me. So I just thought I'd pass it on. Maybe it'll work for you. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Well, it's the end of day 8. It was at this time last Friday that I made my first video. And so it's been a week, kind of like, well, just over a week. And, you know, I've come a long way. I was in a lot of pain the first couple of days. The pain has decreased, but ache has increased on top. So the ache is like a different type of pain. It's not an 8 or a 9 out of 10. It's more like a really constant 5.5, 6. And it's just there, unless you do something really bad and it's like it spikes. But, you know, it's just, I guess, the way it goes. So nothing really eventful today. You know, I've just been working with the cold and the hot on my leg and my knee, and just trying to loosen up. You know, so that's what today was. Just sitting and taking it easy and just you know, doing exercises and walking around. You know, so I've got my little granny stroller with the 2 wheels. I feel I feel like ancient, but I understand that that's the best tool right now, other than the ice and the heat, to be able to get around and not have to worry about falling. The 2-wheel stroller or whatever you want to call it is beneficial. So that's where I'm at right now. So at the end of day 8, my leg is sore. It's about the same pain level as it was yesterday. I'm hoping that I can get a better sleep tonight than I did last night. Well, we'll see. You know, some other people have said that, you know, it's just going to take a while to be able to sleep, you know, through the night and not be woken up by, you know, your leg. And just seems like that's, you know, that is so true. And, you know, I'm moving forward, and I'm just, you know, like I said previously, I'm doing the best I can. Anyway, this is the end of day 8. We'll see you for day 9. Have a good night, and see you tomorrow.